For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and here it is, your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at another one of our around-the-horn Nasdaq Scalper setups. This is from Thursday, June 11th, 2015, and it's in Apple. So AAPL, we're looking at a long entry either from 128.77 up to 129.04, or from 129.04 up to 129.32, or 129.32 to 129.59 on the profit target. Now take a look at these levels over here, the pivot levels, and we see that we have got a pivot right in the way of this 129.32 to 129.59 range. So this R1 level is going to be blocking us from making the move right up to our profit target, but if this happens around the open, we're not going to be worried about that. That's the only one that's going to have any kind of an issue, so let's see what happens in the pre-market, and then we'll figure out where to place our orders, if to place our orders, and how to book the trade. Here we are looking at the pre-market. We see it's printing around 129.11 to 129.19. That tells me we're going to start below our 129.32 level, and that's where I'm putting the order. Bracket up the order, 129.32 by 129.32, 129.59 target, 129.16 stop loss. Place that order. We know the reward to risk ratio is what we need it to be. And the order is live, and we see that we're printing 129.19, 16, 20, right around there after the opening bell. Let's pull back out of this so we can see a chart, and then we'll zoom in on the chart as well. You can see the order for 500 shares in this case of Apple is just above the current market. We are waiting for the Nasdaq to recover a little bit. You see the triple Qs down here are moving lower. If Apple moves down below 129.04, then we'll go ahead and cancel that order and put the replacement orders in at the same time. But for now, it looks like the NAS is finding support just above yesterday's highs, and we might in fact see this order be accepted by the exchange and go live. But let's just see what happens over the course of the next few minutes here, and then we will know whether in fact the order that we found via the pre-market prints made sense, or whether we're going to have to restructure this trade a little bit and look for one of the other bands to be our entry trigger. Here we go. We're coming up on that entry. And if we see Apple come up and hit that 129.32 level, that order is going to go live. It is going to put us right into the position. And let's go ahead and zoom in on the chart as we are printing right at our entry price. And what we see here is that we are looking at a 129.59 target, and we are going to run right through that price right now. And that, in fact, is it for the Apple trade. So there you have it. That's how we set them up via the pre-market prints. If you're not a member of the Scalper Trading Plan and you'd like to be, click here to be taken to the order page. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today, an even better one on deck for Friday. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.